Hey guys, I've got a meeting in the morning. It's just a casual meeting, so I don't need a shirt and tie or anything. And I just thought, because it's about 40 miles away from home, I just had this bright idea to pack my camping kit, and I'm going to see if I can wild camp nearby so that I can get up in the morning and not have to think about all the mad traffic. I think I might have left this a little bit late though, because it's just coming up to 8 PM now. I've got about an hour of daylight, and I've got about another 20 minutes before I get to the area where I'm hoping to stay, but I've never been there before. I forgot to say as well that the weather forecast is for heavy rain overnight, so it might be fun. I've arrived where I wanted to get to, but it's going dark now. I can't see anything suitable near to the car, and with it going to rain heavy tonight, I can't go too near the water where there's some nice flat patches in case it floods up overnight. I don't want to get washed away. So I think for tonight I'm going to spend the night in the car and improvise, see what I can do. Well, I slept out in the car last night. Wasn't the most comfortable thing. Got the heavy rain that was expected, and I don't know whether you can hear in the distance now, we've got the water flowing pretty fast. There's a huge waterfall up there, so we'll go and take a look at that. I bought this little bushcraft stove kit. It was just direct from China for less than £10. I thought I'd just buy it and have a little play with it. It folds up really flat. It goes into this little pouch. And then you've got a tray, a bowl. I can try that with the Fire Dragon gel today. Because I'm set up in the back of the car because it's raining, I'm just going to use the Fire Dragon fuel, get the kettle boiled. I'm sitting it on top of me wind guard so I don't melt the bottom of the car. I'm not sure how much heat it's going to give off. Go. I've managed to stuff a wafer ready meal into my kettle to warm it up, and it just fits. I've reconfigured this little stove now. Get the flame higher up. Little bowl. See if it boils the kettle any quicker.